Udacity Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Udacity offers online learning programs, but most people get this wrong. They assume all courses cost the same and have similar value. The surprising truth is that Udacity uses a subscription and nano-degree model that varies based on program length, depth, and mentorship support. Nano-degrees, which include projects, mentorship, and career services, typically cost between £2 per month. You won't believe the level of support included. Mentors provide weekly guidance, and projects are reviewed for real-world applicability. Most people get this wrong by comparing Udacity directly to free courses. They provide career-focused, hands-on learning designed to boost employability. Monthly subscription courses without nano-degree support are also available and cost less, often under per month. Choosing the right path depends on your goals: quick skill acquisition versus full career transformation. In conclusion, Udacity pricing reflects the level of support, mentorship, and career services. By understanding program tiers and subscription models, you go from zero to pro in selecting courses that maximize your investment and learning outcomes.